Hosting for the holidays is always a big task. Before your guests stay in your home, I have a few quick tips to help you create accommodating spaces in your humble abode. First, let's talk about the guest bedroom. Comfy and clean bedding is always a must, and if your room is equipped with dressers and a closet, ensure they have ample space for any belongings once your guests are settled in. Along with the bedroom, let's talk about a not-so-common area, the guest bathroom. Simple updates to this space can make a difference, like fun holiday decor and even a new toilet seat. Our friends at Bemis design toilet seats that truly enhance your bathroom's overall aesthetic. They're easy to install, and Bemis offers tons of options to provide functionality and style. From sustainable wood toilet seats crafted with 100% recycled wood to bidets and heated toilet seats for pleasant experiences, Bemis knows how to keep your guests happy. Bemis heated seats, for example, make a noticeable difference on those cold, chilly mornings. And if you truly want to offer your guests the pinnacle of technology and wellness, think about upgrading to a bidet seat. These sleek additions provide a touch of luxury to your bathroom, and there's nothing quite like it. Bemis doesn't just stop there. Convenience is top of mind too. Each seat is designed with a slow close feature to eliminate annoying slamming. Plus, it makes it easy for everyone to put the seat down when they're done. During cleaning, the easy clean hinges allow the seat to be removed from the bowl so you can scrub those hard to reach places without extra effort. And if you've ever bought a toilet seat that wiggled over time, Bemis won't let you down. Their Stay Tight seat fastening system is guaranteed to never loosen with use, getting rid of wiggly toilet seats for good. There you have it. Who knew something as simple as a toilet seat could make a big difference in your bathroom? To learn more and purchase, check out the following link and let Bemis keep your guests happy in the bathroom this holiday.